Windows 11 can look like real liquid glass, fully transparent, ultra smooth, and truly next level. If any part of this video helped you, please show some love by like the video and leave a sweet comment. So first, friends, open Google Chrome. Then in Chrome's search bar, search for Windhawk. From here, go to the first link, and then download it from there. Windhawk is a tool that lets you change how Windows apps behave, add new features, and fix small annoyances, all safely without touching system files. Now friends, after downloading, open the file from here, and then install Windhawk. Installing is simple. Just keep clicking next and follow what you see on the screen. Takes a little time, but the results are next level. Meanwhile, give the video a like so you can get more helpful guides. Now friends, after installing, tap Finish, and Windhawk will open automatically. Okay, now you need to select the Explore option from the right side. From here friends, you'll find many mods, but we need to go to Search and search for File Explorer. From here friends, tap on Details inside the second option, Windows File Explorer Styler. Now tap on Install. After it's installed, go to Settings from here. Then friends, in the Theme section, select Translucent Explorer 11. Finally friends, tap on Save Settings. Now friends, your work is not finished yet. You need to go to Explorer, then search for Translucent Windows. After that, go into Details, then install it. After it's installed, go to Settings from here. Then friends, turn on the toggle for Windows Theme Custom Rendering. Next, scroll down and turn on the toggle for Windows Theme Accent Colorize. Then, under Background, Translucent Effects, select Blur Accent Behind. After that, in Accent Blur Behind Color Blend, set 0F and then add 6 zeros. From here friends, you need to expand the effect into the entire window and also enable Immersive Dark Mode. After doing all these steps, tap Save Settings. Then friends, go to Explorer again. Search for Taskbar. Then go into Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Then go to Details. After that, install it. Once installed, follow the same process. Go to Settings, then under Theme, select the Translucent Taskbar option and tap Save Settings. Again, go to Explore. Now search for Notification. Then go to Details inside the Windows 11 Notification Center Styler option. Install it. After that, go to Settings. Then inside Theme, select Translucent Shell. Make sure not to save settings. Now go to Explore again. Search for Start Menu. Then go to Details inside the Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Install it. Now go to Settings. Then inside Theme, select the Translucent Start menu. Make sure to save settings. Again, go to Explore. Now search for Notification. Then go inside Windows 11 Notification Center Styler and open Details. Click Install. After that, go to Settings. Then inside Theme, select Translucent Shell. And don't forget to click Save Settings. Now go to Explore again. Search for Start Menu. Then go inside Windows 11 Start Menu Styler and open Details. Click Install. Go to Settings again. Then inside Theme, select the Translucent Start menu. Make sure to save settings this time. Finally, one last important step, search for Dark Mode. Tap on Turn on the Dark Mode system-wide option here. Make sure choose your mode is set to Dark Mode. That's it. Now your PC screen will have the Windows 11 Liquid Glass theme.